I've got 3 best password manager options for you: NordPass, 1Password, and RoboForm. I'm going to show you what they're best for, and I only need 3 minutes. All right, first, as you'd expect, these password management apps share some similarities. All 3 have zero-knowledge architecture and strong encryption, so everything you put in your vault is only ever visible to your eyes, and they've proven this multiple times through external audits. You can also expect similar base features: password storage and autofilling, the ability to generate strong logins, passkey support for those who want to ditch passwords for a safer alternative, and 2FA support. And all 3 password managers work on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhones, and also have browser extensions. So if you need a reliable password manager app, any of these options is going to do the job, and you can grab their latest discounts through the link in the description. But let's do a proper password manager comparison. NordPass is backed by Nord Security, which is how they have their knowledge and resources that solidify it among the safest password manager picks. In my view, this app is great for beginners. Its modern design makes it really easy to use, but it also has features to make you safer online, like the data breach scanner, which gives real-time notifications if any of your emails or credit cards appear in a data breach, or email masking, which you can use to create a unique, disposable email address. NordPass Password Manager also has a built-in authenticator, so you can store, access, and autofill time-based one-time passwords right there. And yes, it remains one of the most affordable password managers on the market, especially if you get it with a discount code and you can just scan this QR code for that. Now, as for a 1Password review, it delivers a premium feel with lots of customization options. You can organize your things into vaults, categories, add tags and icons, but it doesn't skimp on security features either. There's a secret key that you need to input when signing in from a new device to prevent account takeovers. I also like their Watchtower security monitoring. It alerts users about weak, reused, or compromised passwords. However, to me, 1Password is the best password manager for families. You can share entire vaults with family members, grant permissions, or help with account recovery. On top of that, it doesn't break the bank. Now, the RoboForm password manager is actually the oldest of the 3 with a steady track record. It has a bit of an old school app, but I really like the browser extension and the mobile apps. They're really clear and easy to use. RoboForm excels in form filling. It fills even complex forms and does it faster than most other password managers that I've tested. On top of that, it's the cheapest of the 3, but you do need the special discount code to unlock that price. So don't forget to check the description. I left the latest discounts of all 3 providers right down there. All right, to summarize this best password manager 2026 review, NordPass is my favorite option overall and also the most beginner friendly. 1Password has the most extra features and it's well optimized for families, and RoboForm is the most affordable option. Either way, all 3 are excellent choices, so you just need to pick what you prioritize most, and that's it. Give or take 3 minutes, hopefully. Hope this helps. Bye.